Hey, welcome back to Fresh from the O4. I'm Moana Ete, and right now, I want to share with you a little bit of my world.
I'm made of mud and stardust.
I'm a singer, songwriter, and I'm also an actress.
Born and bred in Wellington. I love that it's just somewhere that you can be yourself, and you also trust that other people, you're getting like authentic versions of other people that you meet too. So it's really nice to live in a city that encourages that.
Thoughtless is the wind, heartless is the cold. Merciless, merciless, give me something I can hold when...
Right now I'm touring with Fly My Pretties, kind of a super band.
Countless are the chalices of lilac wine.
On this tour it's Tiki Tane, there's Lawton Cora, I'm naming all the brownies now, Rhea Hall. It's a really cool group, lots of girls. Just the best people, it's so much fun.
Passion, compassion, this time is gifted to the young. And are you, now are you, and are you what I am?
Acting comes easiest because the words are all written for you already. You just learn it and then say the words. No need for drama school. No need for 3 years of drama school. Just say the words.
I'm not going to be in a relationship with a little boy who goes around town measuring the size.
I went to New Zealand drama school. Our class we were very lucky. There were a whole bunch of us, and we're all kind of like afkasi, or like we have like a quarter or something, and to be able to explore that in drama school, because you know, at the end of the day, sometimes we're going to be cast because, or not cast because of that.
You can hold my hand if you want to. We can.
Our relationship with our own culture then defines how we're going to actually take on someone else's culture and play a Mexican or play Puerto Rican.
Say you'll take a second when we'll probably take all night. Let's go to.
If it were a case of nurture versus nature, I think it definitely is nurture. I grew up with music, arts, expression all around me.
$35 for one board.
My dad and all this work that he did with Laughing Samoans, with my grandma, loves to be in front of people and speak so eloquently, and she's always so charming, and being around that made it okay for me to be like that in front of other people, to, yeah, not be afraid to, yeah, just be myself.
Seems like every second waiting.
No matter what I'm doing or what project I'm working in, I always kind of exploring what it is to be a strong woman.
Daytime, 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 sleep time. You're holding me, you're holding me.
Well, I just finished this body of work, an album called Platonic Romantic, and I think in that album I was exploring like relationships in romantic love and also relationships in platonic love, and it's something that I've grown up with, this idea of whiangainga. So it's like being brotherly and sisterly with each other, and that's sort of like where we start.
This chronic, platonic, ironic relationships taking its toll on you.
I think everything that I do and say is like a representation of me and how I grew up in my culture, and I'm so proud of that. You know, I can't really help it. So, not that I intentionally do it, but I know that it is, that my culture is a big part of what I write, no matter what that is and no matter what genre I'm exploring at that time.